Here. This is more of a dry sticky. You could actually pull it off. You see me peel it. But see, then it sticks on your finger. So I just get a quick pair of cheap gloves. And I have nail polish remover. This is pure acetone, but it doesn't have to be that strong. And I get a toothbrush, kind of coat the toothbrush. Open this up, and if you can see, I just kind of paint it on there. Let it sit for a minute. If you do get too much polish remover on there, you just let it dry a little bit before you add. But see, you can see the top kind of melting off. It just kind of dissolves it. And then you can even go in and peel it off with your fingers. See it peeling? Or just keep brushing it and it'll start to ball up on its own. Some more polish remover. See? It's starting to ball up and come off that way. And that's really it. It takes a little bit of time on, but not too much. And it's not messy like the black sticky. There's some vachetta there, so I'll probably be careful around that. Some people actually remove the lining and just use the canvas. They just get a steam rip or a stitch ripper and remove the lining, because you see this does come out. Not all the way, but it does come out. And then you have just the canvas, which is fine too. It's however you want to do it. This really doesn't take that much time, and then you can leave it for a while and come back to it, and it kind of it dries a little bit and makes it easy to peel off too. But I use gloves to protect my nails. There, it's all balled up there. So yes, don't run away or be afraid of sticky because it's fixable.